Welcome to the GPC app. Let us show you how easy it is to navigate and start earning. After downloading the app and registering, this is the homepage you will see. First, explore our current giveaways and full details where you can see what's live. You can also check out our last winners and their testimonials, real members winning real rewards. Next, visit your referral section, where you can share your unique referral code with friends and earn even more when they join. You can also browse our current deals and exclusive discounts specially available for GPC members. Then head over to your dashboard where you can track your activity, monitor your earnings, and stay updated with your notifications, all in one place. In the account section, you can check your account details, update your settings, and easily connect with our support team whenever you need assistance. It's simple, rewarding, and designed to help you win. Download the GPC app now and start enjoying the benefits today. Want to make sure to set your current location so you can see the deals available in your area. Browse through all the available offers on your screen. You can also use the category filter to sort deals by merchant type. Once you choose a category, you'll see all the available deals under it. Tap on the deal you like, then press Access to bar the establishment to enjoy your discount. Remember, you have 30 minutes to claim the deal once you access it. You can also check the merchant's social media page to confirm their location and store hours before visiting. And that's it. Enjoy your Ginto deals. Now, here's an example. First, go to the local merchant or business where you want to use your deal. Then open the GPC app and go to the Deals section. Search for the merchant partner and select the deal you want to use. Next, tap Generate Deal, then choose the QR option to generate your code. Finally, show the QR code to the cashier and your discount will be applied instantly. That's it. Enjoy your savings with GPC. Now let me quickly show you how to redeem your online deals in the GPC app. First, go to the app and tap on Deals. Browse through and choose the deal you want. Once you open it, scroll down and check the instructions. Everything you need is right there. Now copy your unique discount code, CHATORT. Next, click the link in the instructions or go to the merchant's page, usually their Facebook. Send them a quick message with your code. And that's it. Super easy, right? Enjoy your deal and make the most out of your GPC membership.
afternoon, everyone. You know, these days, people are very careful about what they believe. And honestly, that makes sense. Because online, ang dali namang magsabi ng kahit ano. Ang dali mag-post. Ang dali mag-promise. Ang dali magpa-impress. But for most people now, words are not enough anymore. They want proof. They want to see something real. Gusto nilang malaman, may totoong nananalo ba? May totoong kumikita ba? May value ba talaga? And that is exactly why this week's theme matters so much. Proof na totoo. Because sometimes people do not need more hype. They need clarity. They need something they can see for themselves. Real stories, real members, real reactions, real result. And that is one of the things I love most about Ginto Privilege Club. Because week after week, we get to see what happens when opportunity becomes real for real people. Not perfect people, not celebrities, not people with huge followings, but ordinary members with real lives, real goals, and real moments of joy. So, if you're watching right now, stay with me until the end. Because today is all about one simple message. Hindi lang ito sinasabi, ipinapakita. Can you please comment your city and province below and type proof na tunay? So good afternoon and welcome to another GPC Golden Thursday Live, GTG, here with Ginto Privilege Club. Live golden, enjoy more. I'm Miss Ginto and I'm so happy you're here with us today. If this is your first time joining, welcome. If you've been here with us every week, welcome back. And today is extra exciting because later, one lucky member will receive 40,000 pesos cash. Oo, 40,000 pesos yan. So make sure you stay with us until the end because that winning moment is coming later. But before we get there, today we want to focus on something that matters deeply to people. Trust. Because when people trust what they're seeing, they listen differently. They engage differently. And they become more open to the opportunity in front of them. And before we continue, let's look back at one of our real winner stories. Because moments like this are exactly why proof matters. Let's watch the video testimonial of Rowena Ibero, who initially won 40,000 pesos and did not stop there. She became top referrer of the week for 4 weeks. At mas nakakatuwa pa doon, 3 sa kanyang mga referrals ang nananalo rin ng ating 40,000 pesos weekly giveaway. So, let's watch Rowena's video testimonial.
Again, Rowena Ibero is here of Vasquez Memorial Central Elementary School of Surigao City Division, Province of Surigao del Norte. And again, I am congratulating myself for being the top referrer for the period of April 13 to April 17. And for that, I am so happy and so thankful for GPC and to Miss Ginto for having this opportunity. Hindi po talaga ako nagsisisi sa pag-join sa GPC dahil ito talaga ay nakatutulong sa akin. And I'm so thankful to Yzen Patusa who invited me to join because dahil sa pag-join ko, nagkaroon po ako ng chance na manalo. at nanalo nga talaga ako ng 40,000 pesos. Malaking tulong po yun dahil yun po ay ibinayad ko dun sa tuition fees ng aking pamangkin. And sa pagiging top preferrer naman, ito po ay aking pinaghirapan, ito po ay aking pinagtrabahuan. By inviting friends, inviting families, and thankful din ako dun sa mga na-invite ko dahil sila naman din ay nag-register. Actually po, 3 na po sa aking mga invite ang nanalo ng 40,000 pesos. Unang-una po si Ma'am Leslie Tihor, isa din pong teacher ng Elia Peral Elementary School. Siya po ay nanalo ng 40,000 pesos. Sumunod naman po ang aking invite na si Ma'am Leia Sarvida, isa pong Education Program Supervisor ng Division of Surigao City, ay nanalo din po ng 40,000 pesos. At kamakailan lang, as the school head of Margarita Central Elementary School ay nanalo din ng 40,000 pesos. So thank you dun sa kanila dahil na-invite ko sila at naging mahagi po sila ng aking pagiging top preferrer. So sa GPC, may pag-asa ka. May pag-asa kang maka-earn. Paano ka maka-earn? You need to register. At pag nag-register ka na, pwede ka na rin mag-invite. At sa pag-invite mo, magkakaroon ka ng chance na magiging top preferrer at the same time, meron ka rin ang komisyon dun sa mga in-invite mo. At pangalawa, magkakaroon ka ng pag-asang manalo. Dahil nag-register ka, you have the chance to win 40,000 pesos. And may pag-asa ka rin makapag-save. Kaya thank you so much GPC, thank you so much Miss Lito, at thank you dun sa aking mga na-invite na nag-register. At sa aking pang ma-invite, mag-register na kayo para maka-earn, nakapag-save at may chance na manalo. Thank you GPC, more power and God bless.
Hi, and welcome to our 3,000 viewers watching us live. Thank you for watching us live and thank you for your time. Again, congratulations to Rowena. That is exactly what we mean when we say, proof na totoo. Because when you hear a real winner speak, you do not just hear the words. You feel the surprise. You feel the joy. You feel that the moment was real. And that is what makes GPC so exciting. These are real members, real stories, and real winning moments. So if habang pinapanood ninyo ang video na iyon, naiisip ninyo, pwede pala talaga. Comment below, ako na next. Because the next testimonial we play here could be yours. And thank you to our 6,600 viewers. Thank you for watching us live. And I just want to say hi to some of our viewers who commented in the comment section. Hello to Arcele Amos. Hi to Joanna Adriano. Hello to Aida Bacaro. Thank you for watching us live. Now, if that video made you smile, go ahead and share this live stream now. Share it with a friend, a family member, a workmate, or someone who needs to see something real today. Because sometimes one real story can change the way people see an opportunity. So if you've shared this live already, can you please comment #shared na. Now, one thing I want to say today is this as well. People trust differently now. Before, maybe a good explanation was enough. Maybe one nice post was enough. Maybe one promise was enough. But now, people want something deeper. They want evidence. They want transparency. They want to see what's being offered actually creates real value. And honestly, that is very understandable because people are protecting their time, they're protecting their money, and they're protecting their hope. And that is exactly why proof matters so much. Because when people see real winners, real member stories, real referrals being created, and real value inside the membership, they stop asking, totoo kaya ito? And they start asking, paano ako makakasama dito? Now, if you agree with that, can you please comment sa ating viewers? I need proof. And for those who are new, let me explain GPC simply. Ginto Privilege Club is a platform where members can win through giveaway entries and prize opportunities. Every week ito, just like what's happening today. Second, they save through merchant partner perks and discounts. And third, earn through direct referrals. That's why we always say, win, save, and earn. And that what makes that powerful is that the value is not just something you hear about. It is something members can actually experience. Now, let's talk about Refer and Rise. Kasi ang dami nang nagtatanong sa amin, paano ba talaga nagwo-work ang Refer and Rise? At kasi alam ko rin, kapag may naririnig ang tao na may earnings through referrals, ito agad ang tanong nila. Networking ba ito? MLM ba ito? May downline ba? So let's make it very, very clear. Ang Refer and Rise ng GPC is direct referrals only. So what does that mean? You only earn from people you personally refer or you personally invite. Hindi ito MLM. Hindi ito network marketing. Wala itong downlines and walang complicated structure. Direct lang. Simple lang. Madaling intindihin. Kapag may nag-join gamit ang referral link or code mo, direct referral mo siya. And when they join through you, may advantage na sila agad. Sa first month nila, they receive double giveaway entries sa ating weekly giveaways. So if nag-join sila ng basic, they receive automatically 20 entries instead of 10. Automatic yan, there's no extra steps. If they join as Elite, 200 entries. And if they join as Royale, 2,000 entries. So, stronger kaagad ang stat nila from day one. Pero ito ang gusto ko talagang maintindihan ng lahat. Hindi lang sign up ang goal. Oo, exciting ang may bagong referral. Yes, masaya ang maraming sumasali. Pero ang tunay na goal is to help your referral see the value early and stay active and renew. Kasi dito minsan nagkakatalo. May iba, akala nila kapag nakapag-sign up na ang referral nila, tapos na. Pero sa totoo lang, doon pa lang nagsisimula ang tunay na opportunity. Because if your referral joins for 1 month, tapos hindi na nag-renew, hihinto rin ang recurring monthly earnings mo from that person. So yes, sign-ups matter. But what matters even more is this. Nag-guide mo ba sila after they joined? Natulungan mo ba silang makita agad ang value? Natulungan mo ba silang mag-start strong? Because when a new member sees the value early, mas mataas ang chance na maging active sila. Mas ma-appreciate nila ang membership at mas gusto nilang ituloy. And one of the best things you can do is this. Tulungan mo ang referral mo na makapag-refer ng at least maybe 2 to 3 people sa first month nila. Bakit importante yon? Because early wins build confidence. Kapag may result agad ang bagong member, kapag may nakita silang may entry siya, may discount siya, at pwede rin pala siyang kumita, mas lumalakas ang belief niya. Maiisip niya, ay, may value pala talaga ito. Ay, pwede ko pala itong i-maximize. Or, ay, gusto ko itong ituloy. At kapag nakapag-refer siya kahit 3 people lang sa first month niya, mas nakikita niya ang opportunity, mas naiintindihan niya ang value, at mas ginaganahan siyang mag-renew. In many cases, pwede pa ngang ang referral earnings niya ang makatulong pambayad sa next month membership niya. So mas mababa o halos wala na siyang out-of-pocket expense. Now, I know many of you are already referring. Pero let me ask you this. Ano pa ba ang pwede mong gawin para mas mag-join sila sa GPC? Kasi hindi lang basta send ng link, hindi lang basta mag-message ng, oy, join ka dito, hindi lang basta sabihin na, oy, maganda ito. If you really want people to join, kailangan mas malinaw ang explanation mo. Mas maayos ang follow-up mo. At mas nakita nila ang proof. So aside from referring, ito ang pwede mong gawin. Una, explain the value clearly. Sabihin mo sa kanila na sa GPC, they can win through giveaway entries, automatic yan, save through merchant partner discounts and perks, and then earn through direct referrals only. Pangalawa, explain the first month advantage. Kapag sumali sila through your referral code or link, they get double entries agad sa first month nila. Pangatlo, show them proof. Invite them to watch our weekly Thursdays giveaways like today para makita nila mismo ang ating mga winners. At sabihin mo rin sa kanila na pwede nilang makita ang winner testimonial sa app. Sabihin mo, punta ka lang sa app, tapos go to Ginto Giveaways, then press winners. You can also view all our winners sa website namin at gintoprivilegeclub.com. Doon nila makikita ang testimonials of real winners at malaking bagay iyon because people trust more when they see real people, real stories, and real results. Because sometimes, people do not need more explanation. They need proof. Kapag nakita nila ang proof, hindi na sila masyadong magtatanong ng, totoo kaya ito? Ang next nilang tanong is, paano ako makakasali? And once they join, huwag mo silang pabayaan. Follow up with them. Guide them. Turuan mo sila paano gamitin ang app. Tulungan mo silang ma-maximize ang perks, and most importantly, tulungan mo silang kumilos agad habang mataas pa ang excitement nila. That is why ang support system ng GPC is very important. May info session tayo to help members understand the app and ma-maximize yung membership. And new members can also expect a call from Michelle Reyes so they can be guided properly from day one. Kasi totoo naman, kapag may mas guided ang member, mas confident siya. Kapag mas confident siya, mas active. At kapag mas active siya, mas mataas ang chance na tuloy-tuloy ang membership niya. So remember this. Don't just refer people. Explain better. Show proof. Guide them well. Help them win early. And help them refer to. Because when your referrals stay active, renew and start seeing the value for themselves. That is when recurring monthly income becomes real. Now, if for those who want to understand the app better, we'd love to invite you to our GPC info session next Tuesday, April 28 yan at 5:30 p.m. Live yan dito sa GPC Facebook page namin. This is where we answer your questions, walk you through the app, and show you how to maximize your membership. So, if you want to join, comment lang kayo. Info session. and our team will send you the details. Salamat sa ating 250 viewers. If you want to know more, comment info session. And to all our new members na nag-sign, please expect a call from Michelle Reyes after you join GPC. She will send you an SMS before she calls so you can be guided properly and fully understand the benefits of GPC from day one. She can help you understand how to maximize your membership in a way that can reduce or even remove your out-of-pocket expense for the next month. So if you just join GPC, expect a call from Michelle. Now, let me remind our members of something important. Even if today is not yet your winning day, and even if you are still building your referral activity, your membership can still give you value right now. Because inside GPC, members also get access to merchant partner offers, discounts, and perks. And do you know why that matters? Because savings is value, discount is value, access is value. So, please maximize your app and explore our merchant perks. Now, for this week, here are our merchant partner highlights. First is Maison Harmony. It's an Airbnb in Tagaytay sa mga mahilig mag-staycation. All GPC members get 10% off on your total bill. Ang ganda, di ba? And sa mga mahilig ng pampering and beauty sessions, Naylandia Lux Vermosa is also giving 10% off on all services. And yung Chi Bakes naman, sa mga mahilig ng sweet treats, pastries, and desserts, GPC members get 10% off on your total bill with a minimum spend of 1,000 pesos. Now, I just want to welcome some of our viewers na nanonood ngayon. Thank you. Hi to Arceli. Sino pa ba? Joanna and... Okay. So now, since we are talking about merchant discounts and everyday value, ito I actually visited one of our merchant partners last February, yung Pomodoro. So I want you to watch this short video.
Today is special. I'm here at one of our valued merchant partners, Pomodoro, celebrating one of our top referrers. This is Arceli, one of our highest performing referrers in Ginto Privilege Club.
Hi, Miss Ginto. Nice meeting you. This is an amazing journey na ma-share ko sa family and friends ko ang benefits ng GPC.
At GPC, we reward ambition. When you share value, you create opportunity, not just for others, but for yourself.
Our top referrers don't just earn. They build their circle, unlock incentives, and enjoy amazing experiences like this with our amazing partners.
And the best part, anyone can join.
And here at Pomodoro, GPC members enjoy exclusive partner discounts, turning everyday dining into extra savings.
To success, partnership, and living the golden life.
Join Ginto Privilege Club.
Natin na mahilig kumain sa labas. Pwede kayong mag-enjoy ng discounts through the GPC app sa Pomodoro. Again, thank you to our 500 viewers. I just want to say hi to Maricel Moncada. Thank you for watching us live. To Rowena Ibero, to Cory Kong, to Ferdinand Rodriguez, Sino pa ba? Thank you for watching us live. Now, all you have to do, yung sa mga deals ng GPC, all you have to do is go to your Ginto deals inside the app and type Pomodoro kung gusto niyo ng discount ng Pomodoro, and that's just one example. Marami pa tayong merchant discounts and perks sa app. From food and dining, to beauty, to health and wellness, may travel pa, meron pang trades and services, and so much more. I want you to explore the app and maximize your membership. So from day one of being a GPC member, hindi lang automatic may entries ka na sa ating weekly giveaways. May real value ka na rin agad through the discounts and perks from our trusted merchant partners. And if feeling mo may mga locations na medyo malayo sa'yo, don't worry. May mga partner brands din tayo na pwede mong i-redeem online at may delivery options pa. So, para updated ka sa lahat ng latest deals, perks, and merchant offers ng GPC, make sure naka-on ang GPC notifications sa phone settings mo para wala kang ma-miss na bagong offers. All right, now we're getting closer. What's the time? Yes, so it's 12:56. Now we're getting closer to the moment we've all been waiting for. And what I love about today's theme is this: proof changes everything. Because when something is proven real, people stop doubting and start hoping. And for one member today, this could be your moment that becomes their own proof. Their proof that timing matters, staying active matters, opportunities can become real, and good news can arrive unexpectedly. Now, if you're still with me, can you please comment, ready na? Because one real moment can change everything. Now, this is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. To everyone watching from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and to our overseas Filipino workers supporting their loved ones from abroad, thank you for being here. Right now, one name, one member is about to receive 40,000 pesos cash. Take a deep breath. Because here we go. Okay, our 40,000 pesos golden giveaway winner for this week is Arcely Amos. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my goodness! I actually remember Arcely Amos very well. Oh my God! She has already won Top Referrer of the Week 4 times. And I even had the pleasure of meeting her during my February visit to the Philippines. Oh my God! For 5 months now, Arcely has been a loyal GPC member. Even though she had not won any giveaways before, she never gave up. So month after month, nagsistay siya. She kept believing and continued earning by maximizing Refer and Rise. And now, after all this time, oh, Arcely, it is finally your turn. Arcely, I hope you are watching us live right now because we are calling you live. Now, everyone, let's flood the comments with congratulations, Arcely. And while we wait for our winner to answer the call, kasi tinatawagan na namin siya, we also want to welcome our newest merchant partners this week. Welcome to Imelda's Bougainvillea, offering bougainvillea plants and garden selections perfect for your home and outdoor space. And also, I want to welcome Anytime Fitness in Santana Grove in Parañaque. Oh, and they are giving away free Anytime Fitness key fob worth 2,500 pesos sa ating GPC members. So it's free. And an extra 1,000 pesos off on your monthly gym membership. I hope sa ating mga GPC members na malapit sa Parañaque, take this opportunity. Ang ganda ng offer ng Anytime Fitness sa Santana Grove. Now, it's always exciting to see the GPC circle continue to grow because that means more perks, more discounts, more offers, and more reasons to maximize your membership. If you have a favorite brand or business you'd love to see inside GPC, i-comment nyo lang below para we will approach that partner and hopefully they will be part of the GPC circle as well. Ayan, sumagot na yata si Arceli. Okay, thank you. Let's put this on loudspeaker. Hello, Arceli. This is Miss Ginto speaking. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, this is it na. My God, nanalo din.
Oh my God, I'm so happy to call you today because, you know, alam mo na siguro yung special news ko.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi ma'am, nanonood din po ako ng live today, ma'am.
Oh my God, congratulations! Finally, Arceli, ikaw na ang nanalo this week sa 40,000 pesos golden giveaway. Oh my God. This is such a beautiful moment because you've been with GPC since day one, di ba? And
Yes,
for
ma'am.
and for the past 5 months, you stayed loyal, naging active ka, naging consistent ka, and although this may be your first giveaway win kasi hindi ka pa nanalo before, you've already earned bonuses sa top refer of the week 4 times na,
ma'am.
di ba? Oh
Opo,
my
yun
God.
lang po.
So today we celebrate you, Arceli, because this win is not only about the prize, it's about your loyalty, your belief, and your consistency. So, kumusta ang pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Ano ma'am, to be honest po, sobrang saya ko ma'am kasi na-shock din po ako kasi ngayon lang din po ako nakaramdam ng nanalo ng weekly cash giveaway po natin. Sa tagal-tagal pong inantay, ma'am.
Yes, so you're from being a day one member to becoming this week's giveaway winner at last. So how would you describe, ano ba yung journey mo, Arceli, para maintindihan ng viewers natin? Can you describe your journey sa GPC?
Ano ma'am, from being member since last year po ng November, is yung journey ko po ma'am, hindi po ako nakaka-experience na manalo ng weekly giveaway. And very challenging po kasi siya ma'am dahil every time na nanonood po ako ng live po natin ay motivate po ako na aim ma'am na ako naman po yung next na manalo. At yun din po yung parang pinaka-inaantay ko pong chance na balang araw ma'am ako na talaga yung next.
Oh, yes. So, kahit hindi ka pa nananalo before, kasi 5 months ka ng member, Arceli, kahit hindi ka pa nananalo before sa giveaway, hindi ka sumuko. Bakit?
Ano ma'am, kasi po siguro ma'am, kasi nai-inspire po ako na someday may chance din po akong manalo. Hindi man ngayong week and right time, pero dadating din po yung right time na para sa akin po yung chance ma'am. At ibibigay din po talaga sa akin yun ma'am, kaya hindi po talaga ako sumuko ma'am.
Yeah, may moment ba na naisip mo, kailan kaya darating yung turn ko?
Yes, ma'am. Pero lagi ko pong sinasabi sa sarili ko, ma'am, na hindi ba ngayon yung ngayon, pero nafe-feel kong one day, yung name ko ay matatawag na hindi lang dahil sa top preparer po ako na for this week, kundi dahil naman ako naman yung weekly cash giveaway winner. And finally, ma'am, this is it po.
Yeah, and hindi ka sumuko kasi you're also earning, right? Kasi your name is familiar. You won 4 times of being top referrer of the week. So, while
Opo,
waiting
ma'am.
for your chance to win sa ating giveaway, at least you're also earning and na-maximize mo yung GPC app. If someone is watching your story right now, Arceli, anong gusto mong ipaalala sa kanila?
Ano lang po, ma'am, I want to share lang po sa ating members and viewers na katulad ko pong hindi pa nananalo since day one na member po, huwag po silang susuko dahil darating din yung right time po para sa kanya. Katulad na lang po ng sa akin, kahit hindi pa po ako nananalo ng weekly cash giveaway, ma'am, ay ginawa ko po is I keep always repairing and inviting my friends po and workmates para kahit hindi pa po dumarating yung right time for me is nagkakaroon pa rin po ako ng extra income using referrals. And at the same time po, nagkakaroon din po ako ng extra bonus for being top referrer po. Sana na-inspire
Wow.
ko din po sila, katulad na lang po ng na-inspire din po ako sa mga previous winners ng Ginto Privilege Club, and hindi lang po sa weekly cash giveaway po tayong pwedeng manalo. Andyan din po
Oh.
ang ating Refer and Rise program and ating weekly top referrer bonus.
Yes.
Yun lang po, ma'am.
So, the big question is, ano ba ang gagawin mo sa 40,000 pesos mo? Oh my God.
Ano,
Ano?
ma'am, ang tawag dito, since kasi ma'am, pregnant po ako.
Oh, congratulations!
Yes, ma'am. Bali, ikikip ko na lang din po yung money for mga kailangan ko lang po sa mga check-ups ko. And ano po, para po hindi ko na rin po problemahin yung mga ano ko po sa hospital, mga ganun po. Ikikip ko na lang din po, ma'am. Ganun lang po.
Oh
gagawin ko
my
po.
God, that's good to know, Arceli. And your story is such a beautiful reminder talaga that consistency, loyalty, and faith can truly lead to life-changing moments like today. So I'm so happy for you. Congratulations again sa baby mo. And we know many people will be inspired by your journey. So congratulations again.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And also, thank you rin po sa Ginto Privilege Club kasi po, parang para sa akin po, hindi lang po bonus po yung nakukuha ko is finally, ma'am, na meet ko rin po yung pinaka-goal ko na win din ng weekly top repair, ay na weekly cash giveaway po, ma'am.
Yeah, finally your moment has arrived.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations again, Arceli.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you po.
Ayan, congratulations again to Arceli. She has been a GPC member for 5 months now, and because yung winning talaga is by hindi natin nakokontrol yan. So she's maximizing GPC through referring people and while she's waiting for her chance to win. So thank you sa ating 1,000 viewers watching us live right now. So I hope na inspire kayo sa story and journey ni Arceli. So Arceli again won top referrer of the week 4 times. She's been a GPC member for about 4 or 5 months now, and now her moment has finally arrived. She won the giveaway, winning today ng 40,000 pesos. Now, before we close, one final reminder, join us sa ating info session sa Tuesday, April 28 yan at 5:30 p.m. Kasi isi-show namin yung app para ma-maximize nyo yung membership nyo and make the most of your opportunities to win, save, and earn. So, if interested kayo, mag-leave lang kayo ng comment sa comment section namin, info session. Now, before we end, I want to leave this with you all. People become more hopeful when they see something real, not just promises, not just excitement, not just words, but real stories, real proof, real outcomes, like Arceli. And that is why this week's message is simple. Proof na totoo. Because when something is real, you do not have to force people to believe. You simply let them see. So if today wasn't your moment yet, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Keep showing up. Keep staying active. Keep exploring the opportunity in front of you. We're here every week. Because one day, it may not just be proof that someone else won. It could be proof that you did too. Thank you to our 1,000 viewers. I'm Miss Ginto, and this is Ginto Privilege Club. Win, save, earn. Live golden, enjoy more. See you next Thursday.